guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Grease inspired outfit on Dress to Impress. Removing everything except for the hair because that took like a while. I just removed one. Let me just put that back on here. Okay, get this hair and color it blonde, color it blonde. Position this at 0.55, and then we're going to get this hair in bangs only, and then this hair in bangs only. This hair in blonde, position the Y to 0.41, Z 0.58. Then get this hair in blonde only, and blonde, and then get this hair in blonde too. I just use this blonde, and then for the outfit itself, it's actually pretty simple, no VIP needed. Get this top here and color it black in a light silk, and then grab these in type 3 in black in light silk as well. Grab this belt and color it black and this kind of gold color-ish. And then we are going to get these sleeves here. So just the sleeves in black. And then we're going to use these shoes in red in silk. And that is it. It's like the simplest outfit ever, but it's good for, like, I guess musical themes and stuff. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.